Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I think that some of you might have seen at least one of these videos that I'm about to present to you some time ago on social media. But anyways, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who went inside of a business establishment and put at least one item in part of the clothing that the person was wearing, during subscribers, or the person pocketed at least one item. You see what I'm saying to you? In my point of view, the video seems to be pieces of videos that have been put together, but however, I got the understanding from the video that someone said some words to that person, and then at some point the person removed the item from out of the pocket, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, the person did some things that can be considered as a suspicious behavior. So would I like you to look at this video and tell me what I think about the situation. You can tell me if the situation can be considered as attempted shoplifting, or if I think the person might have made a mistake. Yes, so I say you can tell me what I think overall, and I'm going to point out at least one thing about the video itself or the situation. See, viewer discretion is advised for this video, viewers and subscribers. Take a look and observe with me. Okay, so watch this part right here. Look what the person do. You see that? You see that? Alright? Look right here, so now. This is the part where me think look away when it comes down to that situation. Just look right here, so now. Notice how the person move. You see, notice how the person, you notice? See it? Look there, look, see it? You see that? Tell me, say that no look away, my people. See, that look away. That look away right there. So because think about it, if you go inside of a supermarket, see, I don't think it is wise for anyone to put any item in a them pocket. It is not wise to do so. No, you see, you put it in the trolley, or you carry it in your hand, go to the cashier or so forth. You see me, and after you pay for where you take up, then it's up to you what you want to do. See, let me point out at least one thing about the video itself. Look at this part of the video right here. So just look right here. So see, look. Hold on, let me slow it down. Let me slow it down. So it looked like the person pocketed an item there. So, and then now, look at this part now. The person was somewhat in front of someone, and you can see certain reactions, and then the person take out whatever the person they put in the pocket. It look away. It look away. Some people, when you think about a situation like that, you think the person make a mistake. You think that might be or can be considered as some form of we call it attempted shoplifting. What do you think about that? I'm going to move on to another topic, my people. Alright, so let's take a look at another video now, my people. Now this video is going to show when a person let go from off of a map, or a map stick as well some people might want to say, and somewhat move away from the map and what I call a map bucket, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it seems as if the person was either frightened or scared. You see me, I say, it seems like something happened, and the way how the person move away from those things just really and truly look away. You might be surprised to see what the person do, viewers and subscribers. Some people in the country of Jamaica might say him take away himself. I'm going to take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding. I don't know why the person did what he did, but it seems as if the person was frightened or the person was scared of something. See? Observe with me. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. You see what I go and look? Look now, look there. Watch. Straight in there. My people, the way all the person move, obviously, you see so. Obviously something happened. Me not sure what he said. See, yes, me notice that the video have been posted on social media with certain allegations, but me not get no confirmed information as to why the person did what he had done. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person going to say certain words. I want you to listen carefully to some words that the person said in the video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said in this video that I'm about to present to you. You see me, because me notice that when it comes on to Father's Day within the country of Jamaica, you have some persons who sometimes will say a certain type of word. And you know, I understand that some people might use it as a joke, viewers and subscribers. You understand me, but sometimes you may never know. Me just not understand sometimes what I go on. You see me? Yes, so I want you to listen to the words that the person say in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree. I'm going to tell you what I think as well. Alright? Look, listen and observe.
To all of the man them the road, we have beat them chests and I call other man gelding.
Listen.
Two Father's Day come up now, it come back up again. Now for one go post on the status, gelding chuck and gelding this and gelding that. One of the road now na both on a 4 and 5 baby mother. You not mind no fit me. No, just answer that question to me. Me say if you not mind no pitney. You not mind no pitney? When was the last time you held that child by the hand and take that child out? When was the last time you sit that child down and say, how was school today? When was the last time you send that child a money? When was the last time you see a child? Have you ever helped your child with a homework? Have you ever gone to a doctor visit with your child? Have you ever gone to an orientation day with your child? What's your child's teacher's name? You beat chest, boy, you're not gelding your 4 and 5 baby mother, you're minding your child. Me say if you're minding your pitney, before you come a road, come beat your chest and talk about other man a gelding, you have to make sure say you mind your pitney. Mind your 1 pitney or your 2 or your 3 and 5, 4 pitney you get. And top call it, the one them where they are road, they not make no pregnancy yet, you know. Really? Them know them are doing, some of them know them are doing, some of them know so they're not mentally ready. To be a father, you have to be mentally, physically, and financially ready. You can't just go have 6 and have 3 and 4 baby mother, and you're not dead for the baby mother. Eh? No! You're worse than the man them we are called gelding. You talk about chuck for them, you want a submarine. It's a serious thing. It's a submarine. Some on worthless cutlass, you know. Because guess what? You know, beat in the chest and a call man, you know, man, no pitney. That is the question I ask, you know. You know, what role, what father figure role you know play in the pitney life? Next man, next stepfather, more father than someone who know. I know a beat chest and them right on the sperms donor. So no beat no chest and talk about when get pitney. Eh? When you come like this we get them we have pitney and just dash them on the worse than bulldog. Cause bulldog alone and then go and then jump in a package and then breed. The rest of dog puppy them dog them they not look back. You don't need to stop it. And stop beating. Before you beat your chest, ask yourself this question. Am I worthy to be a father? Ask yourself that good question.
Me say me people, the man state some real facts. The man says some real things. That's what my people. You have some man. I have some persons who love talk about who nah no pitney and rate. You think a sub pitney go, you think it nice to bring a child into the world and you can't find food for get the pitney or you abandon the pitney and all them things. I know one nice thing that me is a father, you know. Me is a father. You understand? And you notice how me just keep myself calm. You understand? Me now goes. Me remember one time me see one you just left school and you're a big man. I tell a little you to just left school, not even 19 years old. I tell him about, oh boy, you know no pitney, Ray. Me say when me look on the big man, me I say look on him. Me say watch it. Me say people, me them want to say certain things, but me I tell you the truth. That brother here say some real facts. Big him up. You understand me? Yeah. Alright, so my people, I have one more video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I think some of you might have seen this video before. So, this video is going to show a person who had been arrested or detained by police within the country of Jamaica. Yes, the video will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. and I understand that the person had been accused of being a goat thief, viewers and subscribers. The person who had been accused of being a goat thief somehow had been apprehended and at some point had been taken into police custody, viewers and subscribers. You can hear a certain amount of persons talking in the video as well. The video also shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica. You can hear when the person says certain things in the video, and the video also shows what seems to be blood on the person's face, viewers and subscribers. So I somewhat edit parts of the video to keep this video as family friendly. Viewers and subscribers, I want to tell me what I think about this situation. And you know, for some reason someone brought this video to my attention, even though I see this video before, but I just present it to you same way and you can tell me what I think. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here it is. Look, listen, observe.
Some fool got the thief, no thief, no thief.
The thief man go. Go in that jeep, go in that jeep. Yes man, go in that jeep. Yeah man. Yeah. You know we find three come back in here. Three come back this morning. We go find three with a man. We want him on 2 big Grammy. But he say we ain't have them. We ain't Jones have Grammy them.
Brother, I have them. Brother, we ain't Jones.
We ain't no sell yam though. Panic cat.
Me know where they and come in and say no chat don't go there.
Oh, so you know what I go on when you left? Okay. You know what I go on when you left? You know, say you know, I think that we didn't come call about that sitting on your book.
Who you shouldn't play?
You know, man.
A long time we are lose.
You know, man.
Yeah. Long time we are lose.
When man come tell us the goat brother you lie down there, you're dead. You are goat. You sell goat, you raise goat. You know, raise goat. I am goat.
No, I am not supporting any form of crime and violence. No, I do not support any form of crime and violence, viewers and subscribers. But you see, when a person had been accused of being a goat thief and end up in police custody, I think that person should give thanks. Or I think that that person is considered to be lucky, because enough Jamaicans know what I talk about when it comes on to in the country of Jamaica, and when a person had been accused of doing certain things, sometimes it not end normal. Sometimes it not end pretty. May I tell you? You understand? I got the understanding that the person somehow had been apprehended and the person ended up in police custody, viewers and subscribers. And you know, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.